What's good, Mozillas? There's been a lot of complaints about the Icon Airflite being too loud. People can agree that it's a great looking lid, but they never would wear it again because there's just too much damn wind noise. Now you can combat that by using earplugs or earbuds listening to music, but not everyone wants to do that. Now if you do have an exhaust, it's pretty much a necessity unless you want to go deaf in the near future. And I read some posts saying that some wind noise is coming from the face shield. However, I have found that 85 to 90%, if not more, of the wind noise is coming from the bottom of the helmet. So I went searching around for different products to see what I can use, and I have found that the NOJ Quiet Rider helmet skirt may be the solution to that. In order for this to work on this Icon Airflite, you do have to cut the tabs off the cheek pads. Now, if you're worried about the cheek pads shifting or the helmet feeling funny, you shouldn't at all, because as you heard, there's pretty much strong Velcro here, and there's like two white fasteners that hold the cheek pads in place. Other than that modification, it was very straightforward and it only took about 5 minutes. You do, however, have to replace the chin mount that comes with the helmet. If you do motovlogging and wire up your camera in the front, like I do, you do have to make a small little incision here, but that's not a problem. I would assume that this will not completely take away all the wind noise just because there's still an opening on the back of the helmet. There are different types of helmet skirts, but in my opinion, this is the only one that actually might work and doesn't ruin the styling of the lid. As you can see, I have a 20S, which I'm going to be installing in a future video. So if you want to see how I do that on this helmet, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. All right, so let's go actually test this product out.
So the wind has gone down a bit, the wind noise, but I still hear it, man. It's not like totally gone. Now that the wind has lowered down a little bit, I can kind of hear a whistling noise coming from, I guess, the front of the face shield. Or maybe those are the vents that they're open. Let me close the vent. That was the vents. I don't hear the whistling noise anymore. It has totally brought down the wind noise. That is for sure. It's not entirely gone. There is still some noise. And I have the front vent open right now, so I'm not sure if it's hitting the mic or not. But I know it's open because it's hitting my lips.